Hello everybody, it's Edward Jones, and finally decided to put up a video of me shooting Winchester 1897. This time I'll be shooting my hand loads. You see my previous video I was reloading on buckshot, and you'll see how well my shotgun does with cylinder barrel from I guess we're going to be 7 yards away. Let's see. 7 yards with a cylinder bore, I'd say that's pretty good. Followers, and they all hit in good spots. Well, all the buckshot landing has a good pattern. But this is proof. I guess this gun, as old as it is, over 100 years old, still proves to be a good defensive tool. But this is Edward Jones signing out. And